Firstly, welcome everyone to London Tech Leaders. For those who haven't been here before, it's a peer-to-peer platform for heads of function right through to CIOs, CTOs.
We're a technology consultancy. We specialise in anything from business and technical advisory all the way through to project implementation.
Tech Pathway, it's all around providing opportunity to unrepresented areas.
What is Uptime Labs? So, it's a simulation-based training platform in which your IT teams and engineers can jump in and safely practice IT outage and degradation response.
LoopNet Like's an awesome platform. It's a recruitment platform for diversity and inclusion. Obviously a huge mandate for businesses investing in D&I strategy, and this platform allows businesses to reach early careers, passive market.
We've got an interesting topic this evening, cybersecurity. So quick introductions, David Crawford, I'm the Group CTO for Naked Wines.
I'm Cary Vidal, I'm Director of Security and IT here at Zego.
Hey everyone, my name is Phil Knight. I am the CTO at a company called the Bank of London.
Hi, good evening everyone. Munawar V. I'm the CISO for Trainline and also the Director of Privacy.
Finally, I'm Ed Tucker. I'm Senior Director of Cybersecurity at the Workshop.
Just the levels of awareness across boards and NEDs, it's almost becoming statutory that they have to have a level of cyber expertise.
You're generally toast, and you'll generally find out about it when a 3 or 4 letter agency knocks on your door and says you've got a problem.
Got a couple of hundred employees. You're all in the cloud, and I think it's actually, from a security perspective, so much easier.
You have to look at the risk that you have at the time. It depends on where you are in your journey, largely.
But it's about just demystifying stuff that generally people don't understand, are a bit scared of, and hence it's the people in the basement who have to look after it.
If you ask anybody to change anything, they're going to be annoyed with you. You just got to keep talking them through the benefits and why that is, and hopefully they'll get it, right?
So with that in mind, do we actually think that zero trust is actually achievable? Because I feel like there's some conflation in terms of what that actually really means. So how do we ever get there if we can't even really define it?
In reality, the only things that are out there at the moment are ISO 27001 and SOC 2 Type 2 that aren't particularly sort of correlated with how secure an organisation is.
A large part is kind of where there's personal data, what's the value of that data? What's the value of an email address versus someone's sexuality? Can they be discriminated against that? So thinking about kind of what are the things within that I really care about?